Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to buy crypto on the Bybit application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your homepage by tapping on the home button down below. That's the first option. After that, click on buy crypto that you can find at the top of the screen. You can choose from three payment methods such as one-click buy, buying crypto within seconds, P2P trading, and fiat deposits. So click on the relevant one you want to choose. Here you can choose from these options at the top. After that, you should type in the amount you would like to purchase. Here you can see how much you receive, so tap on the button next. You should select your payment method, so tap on this orange button down below and you will be directed to a page where you can add your card details, including your email address. Your first and last name should be typed in, such as your card number, then the expiration date and the CVV or CVC number. Then click on the button continue, and then you will be able to finalize the process of purchasing your crypto. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.